everyone. Welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. Today we are come up with a new topic and very interesting and important topic for all type of competitive exams, that is current affairs quiz June 1st, 2021. The daily current affairs quiz will cover questions from a variety range of topics asked in the banking and government exams. These topics may include national, international news, sport news, important personalities, latest awards and honors, latest appointments and designations, and obituaries also. Daily current affairs are very important for the preparation of government exams like SSC, CGL, SSC, CHSL, RRB, NTPC, SPIP, OUPSC, State PSC, Defend exams, KS, KPSC, UPPSC, RPSC, MPPSC, MPSC, and all state PCS examinations. So let's start with our first question. Name the Prime Minister's scheme launched by the government for mentoring young others. Option A Yuva, option B Lakshya, option C Guru, option D Unnati, option E Pragati. And the answer is option A Yuva. The Department of Higher Education under Ministry of Education has launched a new initiative called Yuva Prime Minister Scheme for mentoring young others. Yuva stands for Young, Upcoming and Versatile Others. Second question. What amount of monetary penalty have been imposed by RBI on the HDFC Bank? Option A 2 crores, option B 5 crores, option C 7 crores, option D 10 crores, option E 15 crores. And the answer is option D 10 crores. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a fine of Rs 10 crores on HDFC Bank for deficiencies in a regulatory compliance found in the auto loan portfolio of the bank. As per the RBI, HDFC Bank has violated the provisions of Section 6/2 and Section 8 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Third question. Who among the following Bollywood actors received the UAE's Golden Visa? Option A Shah Rukh Khan, option B Karan Johar, option C Salman Khan, option D Amitabh Bachchan, option E Sanjay Dutt. And the answer is option E Sanjay Dutt. The UAE government awarded Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt with its Golden Visa. The Golden Visa system essentially offers long-term residency of 5 and 10 years to people with outstanding talents. Fourth question. Which of the following entity launched the Young Warrior movement to engage 5 million young people to fight against COVID-19? Option A DRDO, option B IDRO, option C Indian Army, option D CBSC, option E Indian Air Force. And the answer is option D CBSC. CBSC launched a nationwide Young Warrior movement to engage 5 million young people to fight against COVID-19. This movement is expected to impact 50 million people. Fifth question. World No Tobacco Day WNTD is observed every year on which day? Option A 27th May, option B 28th May, option C 29th May, option D 30 May, option E 31 May. And the answer is option E 31st May. World No Tobacco Day WNTD is observed every year on 31st May globally to inform the public on the dangers of using tobacco and to discourage the use of tobacco in any form. Sixth question. Who among the following has won the gold medal in the 75 kg women's middle category final at the Asian Boxing Championships? Option A Malvuda Malvolonva, option B Pooja Rani, option C Naizim Kajabe, option D Mary Kom, option E Baby Rojisna Chanu. And the answer is option B Pooja Rani. Pooja Rani won the gold medal in 75 kg women's middle category final at the Asian Boxing Championships. She defeated Mavluda Malvolonva in the gold medal clash. Seventh question. Who defeated Manchester City in the final to lift the 2022-2021 UEFA Championships League title? Option A Liverpool, option B Real Madrid, option C Chelsea, option D Barcelona, option E Atletico Madrid. And the answer is option C Chelsea. Chelsea are defeated Manchester City 1-0 in the final to lift the 2020-21 UEFA Championship League title on May 29, 2021, played at the Estádio do Dragão in Porto, Portugal. Option Question number 8. Who has been given additional charge of Director General of National Investigation Agency? Option A. Moti Sagar. Option B. Gnan Sam Singh. Option C. Sardar Nand Singh. Option D. YC Modi. Option E. Kuldeep Singh. And the answer is option E. Kuldeep Singh. Director General of Central Reserve Police Force Kuldeep Singh has been given additional charge of Director General of National Investigation Agency NIA. Question number 9. Name the author of the book titled Language of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020. Option A. Jhumpa Lahiri. Option B. Vikram Seth. Option C. Ruskin Bond. Option D. Salman Rushdie. Option E. Arundhati Roy. And the answer is option D. Salman Rushdie. A book titled Language of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020, authored by Salman Rushdie. In his new book, Rushdie attempts to perform a defensive castling move. 10th question. PM Modi announces PM Cares Fund for Kids opened due to COVID-19. How much money was released by PM Modi? Option A Rs 5 lakhs, option B 10 lakhs rupees, option C 15 lakhs rupees, option D 20 lakhs rupees, option E 25 lakhs rupees. And the answer is 10 lakhs rupees. 11th question. Who is the head of group of ministers to consider goods and services tax GST exemptions on a range of COVID-19 essentials? Option A Kornad K. Sangma, option B Nitin Bhai Patel, option C Ajit Pawar, option D Maivin Gorinho, option E KN Balogopal. And the answer is option A Kornad K. Sangma. An 8-member ministerial panel under the Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma to consider goods and services tax nothing but GST exemptions on a range of COVID-19 essential such as vaccines, drugs, texting kits and ventilators. Question number 12. Board of Control for Cricket in India nothing but BCCI has confirmed that the IPL 2021 Phase 2 will be held in the option A Sri Lanka, option B Qatar, option C UAE, option D United Kingdom, option E Australia. And the answer is option C UAE. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has confirmed that the IPL 2021 Phase 2 will be held in the UAE during the September-October window. 13th question. Mount Nying'ongo is an active stratovolcano with an elevation of 3470 meters. It is located in which of the following country? A. Rwanda, B. Uganda, C. Congo, D. Burundi, E. Tanzania. And the answer is option C. Congo. 14th question. Ajit Doval has commissioned the Indian Coast Guard ICG offshore patrol vessel OPV. Option A Samrat, option B Shur, option C Sarati, option D Sujai, option E Sajag. And the answer is option E Sajag. National Security Advisor NSA Ajit Doval has commissioned the Indian Coast Guard ICG offshore patrol vessel Sajag, which has been constructed by Goa Shipyard Limited. 15th and final question. What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2021? A. Commit to quit. B. Tobacco exposed. C. Tobacco and lung health. Option D. Tobacco and heart disease. Option E. Tobacco a throat to development. And answer is option A. Commit to quit. Commit to quit is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2021.